Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your LinkedIn Premium subscription. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, open LinkedIn on your computer or phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. Sign into your LinkedIn account using the email and password you normally use. On desktop, click your profile photo at the top right to open the menu. On mobile, tap your profile photo at the top left to open the side menu. Find and select Settings and Privacy from the menu. In Settings and Privacy, go to the Subscriptions and Payments section. If you do not see it immediately, scroll until you find Subscriptions or Billing Options. Click or tap Manage Premium Account to open your Premium Details page. On the Premium page, look for a link or button that says Cancel Subscription. If you see Change Plan first, open it and then look for the Cancel option. Click or tap Cancel Subscription and wait for the confirmation screen to load. Read the information about what happens when you cancel, like the end date of benefits. Select a reason for cancellation if LinkedIn asks you to choose one. Click or tap Continue to proceed to the next screen. If LinkedIn offers discounts or a free extension, ignore it if you still want to cancel. Confirm the cancellation by selecting the final Confirm Cancel button. Wait until you see a message that your cancellation is complete. Take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records. Check your email for a LinkedIn confirmation message about the cancellation. Go back to the Premium or Subscriptions page to verify the status shows canceled or will end on a specific date. If you subscribe through Apple, open iPhone Settings and tap your name. Then tap Subscriptions. In Apple Subscriptions, find LinkedIn and tap Cancel Subscription to stop renewals. If you subscribed through Google Play, open the Play Store and tap your profile icon. In Google Play, tap Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, and choose LinkedIn. Tap Cancel Subscription in Google Play and follow the prompts to confirm. If you cannot find the Cancel button, try switching to a desktop browser and repeat the same steps. If the account is managed by an employer or a corporate plan, contact your admin because you may not have cancel access. After canceling, monitor your bank or card statement to ensure no new LinkedIn Premium charge appears. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.